Good morning to everyone. I welcome you all class 5th EVS. Yes, today we'll see the lesson number 10, that is residences. Yes, so first we are going to learn, so we can see the meaning of what is the meaning of residences. So the word residences means the place where the people are living, so that we can call as a residences. So which are the houses or what we can call as a residences means in our house only we can call as a residences. Okay, so residences means here, so the people where they are living. Okay, yes, see, you might have heard that home is the first school and mother is the first teacher. Yes, so this is already you heard this one. So you know that is when you are in child, your mother will treat. So how she is treating? Like she is give, it means tell to learn. So you are in child, no, so this she will what she will teach you. So how you are standing, so what we can call, so it means amma, so appa, so she is only learning. Yes, she is the first teacher in the house. So home is the familiar term for us. Early man protected himself against sunlight, rain, wind and wild animals by living in caves and bushes. See here students, in early man, in olden days, so you know that is the man does not having any houses, any buildings. Yes, so he is living in caves. Yes, so he's and also bushes. So in the olden days they don't have any houses, so he is what protected himself so against sunlight, rain and wind and also wild animals. So that purpose he is living in where? In the caves and where? In the bushes. Okay, hence they are called as the early shelters of mankind. So that houses whose, that is caves and bushes, we can call as the early shelters of mankind. So because you know that is in olden days, so they don't know that is where he is living, so where we are living. So but generation is continuously going on. Nowadays we are living in where? In the houses, but in olden days they are living in caves and bushes. Okay, yes, so home became a need as man became a civilized. Home became a need means it means we need a houses. Yes, so home became need, so the more and more civilizations, so we need a houses. So construction of houses were started by the civilized man as the need for home increased in accordance with the change in society. Yes, continuously the construction of houses where we started by the civilized man. So it means civilized man means we are only civilized man. As the need for houses, it means home increased in accordance of that with the change in the society. So continuously, so generation is going on, so but nowadays we are having too much of facilities. Yes, so we are living in different kinds of houses. Okay, and construction of residences started from the independent houses and got transformed to a community houses. So construction of residences, so continuously they are started from independent houses, so and also got transformed to as a community houses. So here overall the studying of this lesson, so know about the personal and community houses project. So understand the problems related to a rural and urban residencies. Yes, so you know that is the independent houses, so and also what? Community houses. We can see the meaning of what you can understanding that independence house and also community houses. They can given here, see students, look at the picture given below. You have learnt about the construction of these houses in the previous classes. Write the materials required to build the houses and given in the pictures. So they can given here the types of houses. Here one house, so and also here there are given here two houses. Yes, so here see all the houses are different. So these all the houses are, these three houses are there, no, these three are different houses, but what are the materials required to build a houses? So in the first house we can call as a what? That is we can call as a mud house. Yes, so it needs what it needs here, so it needs mud and also what it needs? Bamboo. So it needs mud and also bamboo. So mud is to constructed walls and bamboo is the construction of roof. Yes, this is the house. So this house we can call as a mud house. Okay. So next one they can given here, see in this picture. So they are given here the two different types of houses. Yes. So these two different houses. So what they need to build here. So here see in this house it needs bricks and also cement, concrete, then also it need to paint. Yes, so these all here needing, and also here see flooring, tiles. So those are like here marbles of granites. Marbles or granites. It needs marbles or granites. So these three are need a construction of buildings. Yes, what are those? Bricks, cement, concrete and also paint. So flooring tiles like here marbles and also granite. Yes, so this is in a second house. In third house what it needs required materials. It means what are the required materials. So burnt bricks, you know that is burnt bricks. So they are using to construct burnt bricks and also cement and paint, and also it needs wooden doors, and window frame. Yes, so they need here see, so they can given here. So in these houses we need burnt bricks, cement and also what? Paint, and also it needs here the wooden for making of doors and window. So needs a wooden doors and also window frames. Okay, so these three are the what? The required of materials to build the houses. Okay. People live in various types of houses such as hut house with a tiled roof and also houses with a concrete terrace. So many families in a village or towns are living in houses constructed side by side in locality. So these are we can call as a residences. Residences means here clear they can given here. In the many families they are living in villages or as in a town. So they are living in houses. Yes, so you are also living in houses. So they need are constructed. It means so those houses are constructed by side in a locality. You know that is in your house. It means side your friend's house. So or your grandfather or as your grandmother houses, like it is side by side houses are at means there. So in the locality where you are in living. So those we can call as a residencies. Okay. Yes, so they can given here do this see. Observe the lanes of your village are as town. So these are areas of common residencies. So generally families led their life by constructing their own personal houses. The common features found in residences are given below. So write down the other features that you have observed. Here see. So houses built here and there are as houses in lane. So it means in your locality, you know that is in you are in town or as you are in village, the houses are built here and there are as in a lane. Okay, and lanes are mostly in a zigzag form. Okay, and also street lights are there in the residential areas. So where they are, it means even our areas is residential areas, street lights also there. So and also what they need there is a grocery shop you need in for their area, and also water supplied from nearby water tank. So because you know that is a water is one of the most necessity. Yes, so it is one of the necessity. Without water we can't live, so we need a first supply what? Water. Yes, and so this is okay. So facilities are rarely available in areas where the people build their own houses. So these facilities are rarely available in the areas. So it means in that areas, residencies where the people build their own houses, there only we can get these facilities. Nowadays, community housing projects have started to meet the needs and demands of the people due to overpopulation. So why we need a community houses? Yes, because you know that is, so nowadays the population is increasing. Yes, so that purpose we can save the land, we can save the space. So that purpose they can be built up what? Community houses. They can be taken a project that is a community housing. So they can given here the example for the community houses, like here see, that is a government houses we can call as here see. So those we can call as so these also community houses we can call as, and here see, so this is also community houses. See the community houses we can be called these. Okay, and here see, community houses are constructed for various advantages. Some statements are given below. It means what they are be built a community houses. What is the need of community houses? So various advantages are there to build a community houses, but some of them are not a correct reasons and some of there are correct reasons are. So which one is correct reasons we can be put a mark right, and which one is wrong, that is put a mark into, that we can call as a false. Okay, see here, many families live together in a community houses. So live together in a community houses, many families, it's correct? No, it's not a correct. So many families live together in a community houses, that's not a correct. The government provides housing facilities for the poor families by constructing community houses in villages and cities. Yes, this is a what? So community houses, that is a correct. It means various advantages they can be given, no? So this purpose. So government also provide a housing facilities for the poor peoples, so who does not have a houses. Okay, and poor families by constructing community houses in villages and also in cities. So they are constructed to provide a systematic basic facilities for a large population in a limited space. Yes, so they are constructed, the government has constructed to provide a systematic basic facilities for the large population but in a limited space. So this is also correct. Okay, so houses in a multi-storied buildings and also are constructed and are suitable for the residences of a single family. Yes, so in a multi-storied building, so we can call as a apartment like, so those they can be make a multi-storied houses, and also they can be given here for suitable for the residences of a single families. Yes, so this is also we can call as the what it is, the community houses constructed for the various different advantages. So like we can be, so you can also say this is one of the advantages of community houses. Yes, they can given here see, objectives of community houses are, what are the objectives of community houses? To provide all the facilities to the houses which are required families, means required by families. So they can be providing all the facilities of the houses which are required those facilities. Yes, so which are required those families. So providing good roads, transportation facilities, electrification, water supply and garbage disposal in a planned way. So and also they can be community houses, they can be supplying, providing a good houses or as a good roads and also transportation facilities also they will be given, then good electrification, then it means current supply, then water supply, and also garbage disposal. So they will be made in a planned way. Okay. Then constructing parks, hospitals are as a means needs of where the needs of public. So they can be construct hospitals and also they can be construct park. Next, connecting community houses to the regional main roads. So where the community houses are there, no, they need houses, means they need a road, because where they are moving on that places, we reach another place, so they need a good roads. Okay. See, they can be given here. See students, the facilities available in community houses are given in the chart. So observe this chart, they can be given here where we need a facilities and which type of facilities we need. Yes, so they can be given here. Transportation, health and sanitation, then essential of life, entertainment and cultural programs. So these four are we need for the community houses. First we are going to study that is essential of life. So what we need essential of life? Essential of life. So what are the needs of essential of life? So first we need, that is what? Water. Yes. So we need a water, that is one of the basic need, that what? Water. So we need water supply. Then what we need? And so vegetable stall we need. So near our community houses we need a vegetable stall. So what next? So next, provision store. We need, no, because we want a food. Without food we can't live. So we need a food. So we need a what? Provision store. Next, what we need for essential life? So electricity is main. You know it is, because electricity is very important for in a night time. So without light you are there in your house? No, because in the dark place you are scaring, no. So we need electricity, and also we need electricity, and that is also essential of life. And next one, so very important need, that is a garbage disposal. That is also we need, because you know that is here and there we will be throw a waste, and we throw a dust or whatever you can be there in your houses, waste you can be throwing here and there. So we will be fall ill only. So because we only suffering. So we need a disposal, that is garbage disposal. So these all are the what? That is essential of life. What are the essential of needs? So next we are going to see that is health and sanitation. Yes, in health and sanitation, so we know that is if we can be maintain our health good, we only good. Yes, but so we need a good things, whatever you can eat food, or it can be whatever you can using of water. So totally we need a good ones. Okay, so here, so in that area we need a means we need a good health and sanitation, means what are the requirement is there in the community houses. So underground drainage is very important, and health center, main health center is very important, gym is very important, playground to play a small kids, and also very important one is toilets, needs of toilets. These all are health and sanitations. Okay, and next one we are going to see that is a transportation. So what are the needs of transportations? What we can be get facilities available in the community houses? Safety, we can be provided means they can be provided safety, then parking facilities also, roads, good roads and street lights, then also what? So these all are the what in the transportation of they can be provided, and entertainment and cultural programs. So in those what they can be providing, see here, film talkies they can be providing, park, then community hall and also drama theatre. So these all they can be providing. Yes students, see this chart, you can sit and read, you can be understanding what are the facilities are available in community houses. So they can given here, see this chart. So these all are the facilities available in the community what houses. Okay. Yes, next one. Usually community housing projects are implemented in a suitable places in villages and also in cities. So usually these community houses are having projected, so they are implemented and suitable places they need in villages and also in cities. The government build a community houses in villages. The government has formed a separate housing boards for the construction of houses in the cities. So they can be built a separate houses in villages also, and also they can be a separate housing boards they can be made in the, and also they can be constructed houses in also cities. So many problems arise during construction of houses in village and cities. What are the problems they can be suffering from to build a houses? We can see here. See this picture, we can observing what are the problems we can be faces. Okay, yes. Here see in the first picture, so the garbage system. Yes, so it is the place is how it's looking. All the diseases we can be take view only, like, so it means to say watching only like this one. Okay, so it is a nearby garbage, it is a very harmful to a people where they are living in like these places. Okay, and in the second place, a small huts are there in the slum area we can call as. See that in the garbage all the waste are there in only, so they can also suffer some of the diseases. Okay, and also see in the third picture, all they are what for line, making a line of for drinking water. So you know that is the provision of drinking water must need the people to community houses. Okay, so these all the phases they will be, all the problems they will be facing. Yes, above the picture reveals some problems of residential areas. So observe the following statements. Some residential problems are in rural or as urban areas, they can be given here. Write the rest after discussing with your friends. They can be given here. Some of here, see, housing problems in urban areas. What are the problems we will be facing in urban areas? No underground drainage system. So it does not having any underground drainage system. No underground drainage system, and garbage disposal problems. Yes, garbage disposal problem. This is also one of the problem for suffering a what for whose? The urban people. Disposal problem. Then frequent fire accident. Frequent fire accidents in multi-storied buildings. Multi-stored buildings. They can be suffer like here. So they can be given here these three. So next, what are the problems we only suffering? It means wherever you can see these problems means safety of electricity. We need that safety. Yes, safety of electricity. And what we need? A main thing is water supply. Water supply for drinking. So these all are, they can be suffer from, as the urban peoples, urban area peoples are so having problems. Okay. And see here the housing problems in rural areas. Yes, urban we already studied, that is now which are the problems they will be faces in rural areas. No bathroom and toilet facilities. So you know that is in rural areas, in villages, that almost all the people's houses, means almost all the houses does not having any toilet facilities. So no proper electrification. Yes, in a wood means electricity supply also properly it cannot going on. Okay, so that is also they can be facing a problem. Lack of pure drinking water supply. Pure drinking, so we need a good health, means we want to drink a pure water, but in the rural areas they does not having a pure drinking water, so they are also suffering the need of pure water. Roads are not suitable for the transportation of vehicles. That's not a good roads in the rural areas. So no underground drainage facilities. So it does not having any underground drainage facilities, and also no proper ventilation and also lighting in houses, and no protection against extreme weather conditions. So it does not having these, all the problems are facing in rural areas. Okay. So here look at the list of urban and rural housing problems. The facilities, the best city residences are as a village residences must have are given here. See, housing features of the best city are villages, best city. Then proper ventilation and lighting, then rainwater harvesting system from the roof of each house and its storage. So rainwater harvesting system, so it means they can be storing a rainwater. Then electricity by solar energy, then closed underground drainage system, proper system for garbage disposal, and preparation for a manure from garbage. So these all we can call as a best city or village having these all the things. It means they need, means they all having these all. So it means good features we can call as. So a good house can be provide health, happiness, and also peace for the family members and their neighbors. Yes, we need a good house, because why? We need a good health, and also we want a good happiness in the houses, and peace of the house, peace of the family. So these all the family members, we need a good house. So house with the best facilities led to a good health. It means if our house having best facilities, we also led a good health, we are maintain a good health. So this is a lesson of what? Residences. Yes students, I hope you understood this lesson. So tomorrow we'll see the next lesson. Thank you for watching.